Oh boy.
Oh no. Jesus, what's that?
What's up, goon? We're out here setting up camp in Colorado. Check out these trees. Say hello. Nice.
Oh, sorry, she's got you, honey.
We're camping right next to the Rio. Pretty sweet spot for the weekend. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo!
What happened?
Chicken and biscuit, baby.
No.
Woo! Do you like chicken and a biscuit?
No.
I like
Do you like chicken and a biscuit?
Babe, this is the worst song.
I mean,
Chicken and biscuit!
Woo! Chicken and biscuit.
said please get on my own front of it.
All right, we're here. Well, we're walking towards Mystic Falls. This is the first waterfall, and then behind it is going to be the main event. Let's go. Wow.
Wow. Check it out.
That's scary.
I'll throw up.
All right.
Okay, make good choices. Do not pull that in.
Okay.
Gosh. Oh, I hear it. Oh, let's go. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, okay. This is insane. Okay. Get ready, get ready. Here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh, this doesn't even do it justice.
Check this out.
Wow. This is insane. Woo! We did it.
Doing a cheer.
Okay.
Good job.
Insane. Goon. What'd you think? Nice.
She loved it.
What was that? How was it?
It was fantastic.
How was it, Shelly?
It's hard.
No, the waterfall.
Oh, it was great. Can you wait? She stuck her whole tongue in this.
Goodbye. All right. Now we are headed to a sunset spot to see an amazing sunset. You ready?
Dinner.
What are we having for dinner?
Quesadillas.
Oh boy.
With a touch of New Mexican.
Nice. Nice.
I know I wanted to give Luna my Sherpa to lay on, however I might need that tonight. Here we are fishing at Trout Lake.
I can't catch fish.
I've got 2.
There's a nice scenery. Look at them sick mountains. Yeah! That's a Riz!
Let me just assist you the full time.
Is that right on his lip?
Man, you're taking damage.
I'm taking
You poor thing. You know what kind of damage I'm taking? Emotional damage.
That's 3 on the board, boys.
It's the third time I'm about to set up my rod.
Happy!
Oh, Luna!
Is that therapeutic?
I love you. Thank you for your service.
Ew!
How many is that now?
7.
Because they were going to the game as well.
Oh my goodness.
So they were able to raise time.
Oh,
And I
good.
got them to the game. They played K-State, and it was exactly like the same.
Look at this place. Wow. Where are we headed right now?
Silverton.
Alright. But specifically, the $1 Million Highway. Good.
Highway.
First try.
Why'd you whack me with your jet ski? I was driving.
Hi, Goon.
You want to say hi? $1 Million Highway.
There we go.
Don't get back in the car.
This is where we're staying for the night. Oh my gosh. This is where everyone else is staying tonight because I'm finna get killed. Oh my gosh.
Trying to take you out.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, a monk?
Hey, I need you to help me out here. Oh, mother. Oh, gosh. And back here we got a teepee. Nice little teepee back there. Not naturally made, definitely human made. Wow, incredible.
I have 2 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, and 2 socks.
Heck yeah. Got some potatoes, mushies, and it's Shelley's birthday.
Babe, which one
Happy
do you want?
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Alright, give us an update.
So the steak is almost ready. I got 2 medium rares and a well done. And then we got a nice mix of veggies right here to top it.
What do we got?
We got some mushrooms, some regular potatoes, some interesting purple potatoes. Let me see if I can get a view on this. There we go. It's going to be interesting. And then of course, the New Mexican touch, we got some green chili.
Some
Homegrown.
Sick.
We'll update once we taste it.
Update. Give us an update, Steph.
It's delicious. I feel like I cooked the meat perfectly. I hope. But
Came out really good.
I'm enjoying
What do
it.
you think? Heck yeah. Super good. Eating it on our plates. They're they're natural. All right, sign us off because we have nothing else to do tomorrow.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Nope, we won't.
Bye.